Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Auto Tips, where we talk all things automotive. Today we're going to discuss the purge valve. The purge valve, also known as the purge solenoid, is a crucial component of the vehicle's EVAP system. When it goes bad, it can cause some big problems for your car's performance. But no worries, we're going to break down the key symptoms of a bad purge valve. First off, let's understand the function of the purge valve. Its primary function is to manage the flow of fuel vapors from the fuel tank to the engine, preventing those vapors from being released into the atmosphere. Let's discuss the signs of a bad canister purge valve. Symptom number 1, check engine light. Illuminated check engine light is one of the most common symptoms of a bad purge valve. However, your car's check engine light can come on for a ton of reasons. But if your purge valve is bad, you'll likely see a trouble code related to the evap system, such as P0441 or P0446. Symptom number 2, rough idling or stalling. Ever notice your car shaking when you're stopped at a light or even stalling out of nowhere? A bad purge valve can create an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture by allowing excess fuel vapor into the intake manifold. This may result in a rough idle or engine stalling. Symptom number 3, poor fuel economy. Nobody likes paying more at the pump, and a bad purge valve can cause just that. A faulty purge valve can cause the EVAP system to malfunction, leading to a loss of fuel vapors into the atmosphere instead of being burned in the engine. This can result in reduced fuel efficiency. Symptom number 4, failed emissions test. The EVAP system is designed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. When the purge valve fails, it compromises the system's ability to control and store these vapors. As a result, the vehicle may release higher levels of hydrocarbon emissions, leading to a failed emissions test. Symptom number 5, difficulty starting the vehicle. If the purge valve is stuck open, fuel vapors from the fuel tank continuously flow into the engine's intake, even when the engine is off. This leads to an overly rich fuel mixture when you try to start the vehicle, which can cause hard starts or difficulty cranking the engine. Symptom number 6, fuel odor. A faulty purge valve can cause fuel vapors to leak from the EVAP system, particularly if it's stuck open. This allows the fuel vapors to escape into the atmosphere, resulting in a strong fuel smell around the vehicle, especially near the fuel tank or rear area. All right, now that we've gone over the symptoms, let's get into what causes a purge valve to go bad in the first place. 1, wear and tear. 2, debris or carbon buildup on the valve. 3, electrical failures such as damaged wiring or connectors. 4, extreme temperature changes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more automotive tips and tricks.